name's Chris. I'm out of the Don't Play camp, driving 98 Honda Civic, and we choose clutch masters. Alright, so the car is a 1998 Honda Civic Coupe. I've owned the car for going on 13 years now. It started off as a single cam and then obviously progressed to what it is currently. It has a built motor, built head, stock cam, stock port. The transmission just recently got some work done to it.
Okay.
Paired it up with your guys' twin disc, the 725 with the race discs,
Nice.
Along with the hydro bearing.
Okay. How's that for driving?
Makes it very streetable. I put numerous 10-second passes on the car and still drove it all the way from Moreno Valley to here today in traffic with no problems. So clutch, it grips, doesn't slip at all, does exactly what it needs to do.
You ready to do some pulls?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I used to work in Orange County, driving to Orange County every single day.
Yeah.
Then it just got to a point where it was ready to let it not be such a daily and just kind of clean driving. And then that's when it became what it is at the moment. A whole
Monster.
yeah, a little monster, yeah.
It has a lot of life on it. You took it.
Yeah, I just recently have taken the disc out to, I had some transmission work done. Took the disc out and there's still tons of life left on the disc. And
Yeah.
like I said, I've got probably 200 plus passes at the track on this setup, along with all the street pulls that we do. So
Yeah.
it's got a whole bunch of stuff. Alright, ready? It really boogies.
And books.
Yes, sir. Just need that fan on for me.
Yeah. That's what you call your classic hooking book.
Good old hooking book.